So one of the nice things that you can do if you go into Google Classroom is you will see all these different classes and you can actually look to see how you're doing in them. So I actually like to go to the Classwork section. You always start in the stream. I like to go to the Classwork section. I think that's my favorite section. And in the Classwork section, you will see all the assignments that have been posted and when they were due. Then in the Classwork section, there's this really cool thing right here. If you click on View Your Work, this is for my daughter, for her science class, you can see that she's got these things here, and this is what this means. So this is the assignment that's right now. There are 2 attachments. It's due on June 8th, and it's open right now. It's assigned right now, okay? Then here, this assignment, the week of 5/26, you can see this right here means that there's been a comment, which means that the teacher has made a comment personally to my daughter. And then here, this means there's an attachment as well in the assignment. And then this is when it was due, and this is the grade that your student got. So you can go through and you can see all the different assignments that have happened, and you can see how your student has done and just do a quick visual check on that. And you can see when it was due. So here, sometimes also it tells you whether it was turned in late or not turned in. Sometimes there's not a grade. If it's just a check mark, that means they didn't give a number grade. So these are all really good things, and I wanted to show you how to do that. You can also go back to other classes, for example. So here I can go on the thing, I can go back to my classes in general. And let's say I wanted to see how I was doing in humanities. I could click on that. Again, I want to go to the Classwork tab, and then I really like the View Your Work tab. And then here you'll see that she's turned all these things in. Now when it says turned in and there's no score, what that means is your student has turned it in, but the teacher hasn't graded it yet. So this says when it's due, and it's just waiting for the teacher to grade it. And this one, as you can see, also then there's assignments in terms of how many points they got. And then here you'll see there's comments here. So these are comments that are made from the teacher to my daughter, and you can see that they are going back and forth. So that's one way that teachers and students can communicate is by comments there. Not really in my class, but some teachers use that. Usually the comments are one way. I will just make a comment and expect the student to look at it, but I won't necessarily see their comment back to me. Email is the best way to contact me. So there you have it. Again, just to show you in this thing, if you start at the classes here, you can click on any class and you can look at what assignments. You can go to the Classwork string. You can go to the View Your Work. I love the View Your Work tab. Okay, and then in the Classwork, it tells you also when stuff is due. So it tells you when it's due and whether it's turned in or not. And then you can see here, if you've got missing assignments, you can talk to your student like, oh, hey, how come that's missing? All right. Okay. Thank you.